So guys, to fix this problem, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. Once you're on this, we're going to expand keyboards. Then you want to find your keyboard device. You might have multiple ones, but once you find it, you want to right click on it and then click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. If the best drivers have already been installed for your device, you want to go back and click on browse my computer for drivers and then click on every pick from a list. Then you want to try to install everything that will come up here. Click on next and install it. Try that for all the keyboards that will come up. Now if that's still not working for you, you want to right click on your keyboard device and then click on uninstall device and then click on uninstall. Then once you uninstall it, you want to head over to action and then click on scan for hardware changes. And then your device will appear again and then see if that works for you. Now for the second step, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. Once you're on this, we're going to type in sfc /scan now and then click on enter. Then you want to run this scan. Now for the third step, you want to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. Once you're on this, you want to check for updates and do the updates that you may have. Now once you complete all the steps in the video, you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.